Have you ever wondered what a volcanic eruption looks like from space? Today we're counting down our picks of the most impressive volcanoes seen by satellites. Number 13. Mount Fuji, Japan. Mount Fuji, also known as Fujisan, is an iconic stratovolcano located on Honshu Island. It's the tallest mountain in Japan, with a height of 3,776 meters, and is considered the country's most sacred sites. This image shows Mount Fuji and its surroundings in radar vision. The volcano has erupted numerous times throughout history, with the most recent notable eruption occurring in 1707. Fuji is a product of the subduction zone that straddles Japan, with the Pacific Plate and the Philippine Plate being subducted under the Eurasian Plate. Number 12. Mount St. Helens, USA. Mount St. Helens is a stratovolcano in Washington state. It's known for its eruption in 1980, which was one of the deadliest and most destructive volcanic events in the history of the United States. The eruption dramatically changed the landscape surrounding the volcano. It caused a massive landslide and large volumes of ash that blanketed the surrounding area, killing humans, plants, and trees. Together with Mount Adams to the north and Mount Hood to the south, Mount St. Helens forms an active part of the Ring of Fire, which surrounds the Pacific Ocean. Number 11. Mauna Loa, Hawaii. Mauna Loa is considered one of the world's largest active volcanoes. Meaning Long Mountain in Hawaiian, it rises to over 4,000 meters above sea level and constitutes half of the island's area. It likely emerged above sea level around 300,000 years ago and has been growing rapidly upwards since then. On the 27th of November 2022, it erupted for the first time in 38 years. This satellite image shows the erupting volcano with glowing hot lava and towering plumes of smoke. Number 10. Fagradalsfjall, Iceland. Fagradalsfjall, also known as Beautiful Valley Mountain, is an active shield volcano on the Reykjanes Peninsula in southwest Iceland. It started erupting on the 19th of March 2021, marking the first eruption in the area in over 800 years. This image shows the